Don't chew my knee. Ah! How about you guys get something else to chew besides your mummy? Like a rope. Good baby, sweetie. Good baby, sweetie. Thank you for bringing these guys a rope. Here. Give that to the silly dog. Hmm? That microchip bugging you? It's itchy? You wait till you get your vaccination. Yeah. Oh, you're silly. Bird dog. You're silly, Birdie. And my other two kids out here. She's trying to find more stuff in there. She already stole Dad's glove out of there. Sweetie, what are you doing? Is there another glove in there? Don't chew Dad's Milwaukee battery charger. Oh, you guys are gonna tear this down. No, sir. Aw, I got a baby Uber on my lap. Hi, baby Ubers. These guys. He's a good boy. My sweetheart. He's just a lap doggy. Look at that. He says I'm little and I can be a lap dog. Let me zoom out so I can see you, my sweet little boy. His little waggly tail. He's my baby. Hi, my baby. Okay, Mommy, I'll put her legs down so you can get up here. Not you, bird dog. You're a big bird dog. Brian calls you Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird, what are you doing? You are Big Bird. Oh, Dad's glove. Oh. Sweetie, did you take Dad's glove? I had to pick up all the shoes and everything. They're in the chew mode right now. Chew, chew, chew. Chew, chew, chew. Birdie, don't chew your mommy. Chew your mommy. You chew this rope. Here, there's a nice rope. It likes getting chewed. Yeah. It's like, chew me. I dare you. Little tails are going. You are silly old Big Bird. Here, look at that handsome boy. Hi, handsome. I think we should just call you handsome. Ow! You little bug, Birdie. Oh, she got me good. Bit my leg. Little scamp. He's all happy about it. Oh, you're all happy about it. You settle her down there.